In this video, we are going to learn how to add an image to our phaser game. First of all, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are interested in text-based tutorials, make sure to visit the devologist.com. Here, we have a game where the user can control a rocket. First, you need to have an image file. I downloaded an image from svgrepo.com. In the preload method, we always load the assets we need before using them. To do this, we use the this.load methods. Since we want to load an image, we use this.load.image. Now that image is loaded, we need to display it. So inside the create method, we add it using this.add.image. We specify the x and y coordinates, and finally, as the third parameter, we provide the key we use for our asset. We store the image in a variable so we can make any changes to it later. Now we can see that the image has been added to the screen. Next, we want to make it smaller. So we use the variable name and call the setScale method to reduce its size. If we check the game again, we can see that the image is now smaller. This isn't the main topic of today's tutorial, but we will also add a small piece of code inside the update method so we can control the rocket using the left and right arrow keys on the keyboard. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials.